In today's fast-paced world, finding a blender that combines convenience with performance is essential. This Hamilton Beach portable blender, model 5U1101RV, stands out as an excellent choice for anyone who wants to enjoy nutritious shakes and smoothies without sacrificing time or space. With its compact design and powerful performance, this blender is a versatile tool, perfect for busy lifestyles. Here's a detailed look at why this portable blender might be the perfect fit for you. The Hamilton Beach portable blender is designed with convenience in mind. Its unique feature is the combination of a blending jar and a travel mug. This innovative design eliminates the need for transferring your smoothie or shake into a separate cup. Simply blend your ingredients in the same jar you'll use for drinking, attach the travel lid, and you're ready to go. This blend and go functionality streamlines your morning routine and saves you from additional cleanup. Process is straightforward. Pour your liquid ingredients into the jar first, followed by solid ingredients such as ice and fruit. Attach the lid securely, press the power button, and let the 300-watt peak power motor and durable stainless steel blades work their magic. The result is a perfectly blended smoothie or shake in no time. Despite its compact size, the Hamilton Beach portable blender packs a punch. The 300-watt peak power motor delivers consistent performance, making it easy to blend a variety of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to ice and frozen ingredients. The stainless steel blades are designed for durability and precision, ensuring that you get smooth and consistent results with every use. This blender's corded design provides reliable power without the need for recharging, making it ideal for home or office use. Its compact form factor means it fits comfortably in most cup holders and can be easily stored in a cabinet or drawer, making it a great choice for small kitchens or tight spaces. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach portable blender is its user-friendliness. With a simple one-touch blending operation, preparing your favorite drinks has never been easier. Just press the button and let the blender do the work. The intuitive design means you don't need to worry about complex settings or multiple speeds. Cleanup is equally effortless. The jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher-safe, which means you can quickly clean up after blending without spending extra time scrubbing. For those who prefer a manual approach, quick rinse with soap and water is all that's needed. The hassle-free cleanup process ensures that you can enjoy your beverages without worrying about extensive maintenance. The Hamilton Beach portable blender is built to last. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand daily use, whether you're blending at home, in the office, or on the go. The travel mug is BPA-free in food zones, providing peace of mind regarding safety and health. This versatile blender is perfect for a range of uses. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, baby food, salad dressings, or icy drinks, the Hamilton Beach portable blender handles it all with ease. Its powerful blending performance ensures that you achieve smooth and consistent results every time, regardless of the ingredients. The compact size of the Hamilton Beach portable blender makes it a fantastic choice for travel and small living spaces. It's designed to fit in most cup holders, so you can take it along on your commute or road trips. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to pack and store, whether you're heading to the gym, office, or a vacation. The included travel lid adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to enjoy your blended drinks on the go without worrying about spills or leaks. This thoughtful design feature enhances the blender's portability and usability, making it an excellent choice for busy individuals who need a reliable blending solution. Hamilton Beach has been a pioneer in kitchen appliances since 1911, and their expertise is evident in the Personal Creations blender. With a history of innovation and quality, Hamilton Beach continues to deliver reliable and effective products. The blender is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, providing additional assurance of its durability and performance. Conclusion: the ideal blender for a busy lifestyle. The Hamilton Beach portable blender is a compact, powerful, and user-friendly appliance that excels in blending convenience with performance. Its unique travel mug design, powerful motor, and durable blades make it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to enjoy nutritious beverages without the hassle. Whether you're blending at home or on the go, this portable blender provides a seamless blending experience with minimal cleanup. If you're in the market for a versatile, reliable, and travel-friendly blender, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is a top contender. With its blend-and-go functionality, powerful performance, and easy maintenance, it's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.